For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. Orlando Pirates are out of the Nedbank Cup thanks to Kazakh Stars winning on penalties. Tough one to take for the Orlando Pirates faithful at the Amstel Orlando Arena. There will be scratches in the head of even the people who sponsor the tournament for the massacre that happened today. Two big ones out. It means there is perhaps an angle for a fairy tale story for whoever is remaining in the tournament. Junior Kanye, what did you make of the game, sir?
Ngikhuluma brother kunjani?
Sure.
Ngibulise amansibulisile game yokuqala.
It's the second game.
I'm happy for Buccaneers nomndeni wakhe. Media yakhe uzanele. Inxosa kibo uzakhele iGrootman lakhe uGamela olelakhe umndeni wakibo I'm happy. This guy has been a while asebholweni. I think this thing afuna achieve has been preaching this ngicela ukumbona. uNkulunkulu angakambusisi I'm happy. Akusi easy. Ngiyazi ukuthi I think he wanted to have a team before it is Galaxy, so I'm happy for Upax. Going to the game, obvious when we heard the fixtures Orlando Pirates going to play Arena, which is Arena Orlando Stadium. We never thought Bucks and Tumen will come out there because of the crowd. But it takes a courage, a bravery to players and the coach. Once you go to the fight and forget who you are, you're gonna lose. You won't fight or coach who you are, you're going to lose. These boys made a specialism. We talk about unknown players. It's only Skelem that we know, Tikazi, that they're on the bench. They were on the bench. Abante Bespaz. None of them players that we know, Skesababona somewhere. No Mangabi Badlala somewhere, Tina Besingabas. It's the first time we saw them. They played against high-profile players. Pirate that has been giving 3-0 to sustainable teams in Betway Premiership. Going to the game, I'm not too sure why coach starting with today without a striker. Yes, it's going to be under pressure. Yes, what we will be under. When you lose 2 games, go Orlando Pirates, you will be under pressure. Ile situation because Pirates now, once you start losing, Baba now this thing we're fighting for a league, we never won the league. It's a marathon. Now they start doubting you. When they start the Premiership, Baba now this thing which Magakala Nyakumbula Marumo Kalansi beat them 2-1 away.
He lost 2 matches.
And then they start saying, it's going to be a problem. So, this is the second round of the season. It's going to be difficult for Wadu, honestly. Unama players. Pirates have signed, identified quality players, but Lauma player need awareness, a coach, a coordinator outside. We call on them which week in and week out, even in today as an attacking player. Udlala ngomakhehleni ngihlale ngisho mina makhehleni suspect for me. Mawuzodlala ngomakhehleni laphayana. Makhehleni ngikhuluma nge-energy lentwana zine-energy. They had the energy in today's game. Pirates in the middle field kune tendency when they win onke umuntu ushaya izandla, but they rely in certain players. Especially kunama games je coming after AFCON, they rely on certain players. The Pirates in the first round of the season we know ukuthi bebazokusaka. We know with everybody they badlala ngama department, and different between them and Sundowns up front was so dangerous. Front four yabo ne3, so build up yabo bengekho slow. We Umbogazi could play and ashay pass a breaker lie window even in the middle idlula idouble wele ku striker pinpoint, but now they don't have somebody like that. In today's game, I don't think Komakhetleni had a good game for me. Azangam compliment even Nomtechela. I don't understand why the coach keep him so long. I understand the Galeganjani game because I watch him 3 games in a row. There's no energy. Lomfana ngambona, ngimcomplimentile lomfana. Ngambona when he started to Orlando Pirates. He gave accountability to Mfana. We are Paramisandla, Menesimshali. But now, I don't understand why I keep him. I think criticism is also good. You keep the player Unembule outside. Unembule injury free. Play him. If this one is not performing, play him. If Uzotua Spana, how? I just want to know he's an attacking player. Want to see him on the ball, what is he doing? Even defending, I can't say yes, we are not a masanga petang bola. Ganjalo give my savings because it's attacking midfield. Today, the Pirates what they did. I think the Pirates each and every game battle left. This boy Fuking was playing on the left hand side. They cut in. Woto isayite balifunayo. Decision making last third, I think is making so many mistakes. Yabona today, I think Woto na costile Pirates somehow. He's a senior player. I know Evergreen, he works so hard. Ngiyazi ukuthi akayenzanga lento intentional. But Woto sometimes you can't be selfish. Ama players they forget ukuthi once I pass my teammate, we win all. Today decision making mangalisanga phezulu kwepali, he passed the goalkeeper. Aphumile kamnandi bamkhipha. Phela intona mangena phakathi yawazi ukuphula iwindi imniki. You understand? And thola ukuthi makathatha decision poor. Also the coach ukungabi ne reference. You play, yes, yanibona niya dominator, you playing circulating the ball, there's no reference there. Kusho ukuthi lo mfana uthi every time when you receive the ball kunomuntu emva kwakhe, 2, not even 1. Because these boys into bebayenza, when you receive the ball as Orlando Pirates, they know you. 3 of them they go. You know, bashayela izandla ngokusqueeze. How they defend, I think they are better than attacking. The way they defend are better than attacking. Bashayela izandla how they defend. Because every time Pirates have the ball, there's 2 players. When you beat another, you can't have extra touch. In today, like I said, man, Magadalaga right, I think is going to be exposed. Also, the crowd because when's in dating too much. No, on the left
Yeah,
hand
he
side.
was under pressure from the crowd.
The reason being, we playing up. Maudlala ngapha, ukacha in. You need to think. Decision me. First touch yakho mele isitshele ukuthi lo muntu wenzani ngaye. But if ufuna ucabanga lisenyaweni is going to be a problem. So bamphasa ngapha udlala ngeweaker foot every time yathena ufuna ungena phakathi. Le center le ngwenye idlala la center yampressa and then mele dlala back pass. Mangadlala back pass mele balithathe le ball egcine sekuyo chaser. So I think babaleka ngaye. Yes, urile zanga ube nama moment, but much better because urile beka shautito no Mareme. He plays off the ball. I think lento best nguleko mfethu. Yabona igame manje ithatha kanje, you need players who playing off the ball. Umuntu look around. La kune open space runs there. And then a party first touch. Bekumele benze lento enza lo mfana urile. iPirates bewazofunction. But now if lo mfana uzofunction him alone we attacker. Kube uyo bafetshela ibhola okwazi ukudlala off the ball azenzela space. He pass someone udlala 1-2 ayibuyi sometimes and then it's going to be a problem. Because i-attack yabo bebanganabo ngozi in today. Honestly, bebanganabo ngozi. Bayitholile the chance. I think in today I think it was first half, but they never got clear cut chances, I will say that. They were creating bebanga reference and bebanga run behind the defense alabantu. Every time I pull up bebavela on the left hand side, which is cross anybody's ball. On the left, ngapha kulomfana umremi, nothing that was coming. Also ngisakhala ngonomthejela manje and him and
Macau.
a big problem. Also bese mangabe ngoba be frustrated na this guy uMasonga anyathina agcineza zo drop. Once aqala drop uMasonga and there's a big problem there. Yabona maseka aqala drop ani outnumbered there. You understand? So le ntwana lezi, the more games go, igame ihamba. The only chance I think uSibisi Yangcaga is a center defender, a captain. Yabo senior player. We are wide to right wing back, right back. Akukhona fleko ufaka ibhola phakathi. Not even this guy Yamboni is not even in charge of the ball. Behind the opponent. Balithatha le bhola almost short of target. Almost a goal. Because uChina beka on another side. And the Lentonas believe good no, la bantu bangene. Babe na moment first half. I think they were pressing Orlando Pirates. I would be by press all the way. My social goal kick they wait for right moment. And then when the Pirates start playing, certain players be about target hile, and which is in Yacabang space be about target hile, these guys. I'm not this boy Chabitsan, I saw him last game. He played very well. Today I was not too sure about him. I'm trying a bit shaky.
Oh, the penalty he took as well was ridiculous.
Ile thing is showing it. I'm a gamer so going to break it or make it. We understand when you play a penalty. Okay, penalty anybody can miss, but
Just think about the technique as well.
Yeah, shy target.
It's like the target was there. Like the way he kicked it was
Yeah.
Ipali ila and he kicked it. I
Yazi
don't
mina
understand it.
ngule komfethi yazi penalty big superstars misses, but shy target to goalkeeper safe.
Yeah.
Pick just goalkeeper make a goalkeeper safe. Mawuzo miss the target ngale ndlela miste ngayo. It's like yabona the way miste ngakhona it's poor, especially umfana technically good the way.
He's such a good ball
Nenye
player.
into I think iPirates going kula game, they will see ukuthi in these two center back kune problem. I know ukuthi they never been the team aba challenge ukuthi baze bakho, but kune problem there. Yabona le ntwana lezi ukuthi azange lento lezi kwazi kuyisebenzisa, but in these two center back I can tell you the truth, when you see how they mark, even if this team never scored kune problem bamakha ngenye indlela and give me questionable. Second half I think uBucks team yakhe bagayine this confident. Well done for them. I think bebaba Pirates ngama breaks and bebangana number unfortunately up front. Into njoba ngisho the team the holds, I will say into beba kule game. I won't say the match Orlando Pirates. What they did, bona they were good more than attacking. Like how they defend, well done. I think even the keep taking in how they defend. The structure sub. I'm talking about the structure, complement to Paxum Tumbin, emphasizing how to defend against Orlando Pirates. And also, I've been we're gonna Subabamba breaks. Yes, Subabamba breaks, just at the quality we want to do. Quality is not because Gunepole save chain. Bambela go first pool. They are break layer. Pela when you defend, you must have a way. And well done to Paxum Tumbin and his players. I think Labafana Laba. From now, there's a long way to go, but everybody will be talking about this. And I'm sure some scouts and teams will be noticing because some of the players here, my team go to a premiership that they can be helped if they survive in Kulmagu relegation zone. Because these players energetic, they doubt for one another, coachable. What is something I saw. Also technical, not bad. You understand? Not with the team. No, the best way to keep the ball, like they were holding the ball, also wanting to go behind the defense of Orlando Pirates, and they did exactly that. Well done to I think Upax tracking the game. Afagutikas Nyambona, I think Besega Hambisis Kati, Noskelem, which is Minuskelem Benkabang with Bengabum Faga. But yet the strike, I think, Undo.
Simon Kamalak.
Yes,
the striker that started the game.
Yes.
I forgot his surname.
Yes, there's Simon Do and an elite and J Kamalak. That guy, the tall striker, he kept these two defenders center back on the Pirates. If you check him how he hold those balls in Kulmanga first half, that guy begaba winning a foul abo box. I think the game plan was that. Let's give that because beba masolate this guy, but they are lose any ball. Beng mangal good why Cherezani Bano Speed they failed to defend against that because the Galbambal Dale Gamna run behind the Gutangana speed is a bit lazy. But the football intelligence and bonum chituna international player. So I think you are Kachala because he was isolated and by tracking game extra time when you go to penalties anybody's game. Chinese save he tried by all means, but then journalism is guy compliment because you go shama penalty against the crowd. In fact, best players in the world, I don't care anyway one chin. Best players in the world, the talent and a character. You can be so talented, no character. You should have fun with the Wednesdays, because then journalism is a character show. Going to get 30 penalty against China that saves Sundowns players several times. Other teams as well. We need to keep the Paris. You understand? Well done to these players. They miss and then they keep on going. And also no goalkeeper welo. Nyaz gutaka savanga but then Tony keep tile came in. I will say them fana kamthombi ndo we really gabo Bucks. Well done to the boy. I think the boy the mind game le ayidlalile. Akusi easy lapha kolando ufika ubhale phansi wenza. It's a mind game yambona. Sisho that thing idlala irole enkulu and
a contributing factor.
Yes, and even this delaying in Bonilo Mfana because you know the quality we're not the same as Orlando Pirates. But Wadu, as an issue effect, may I check into this video session? Play without a strike, I think it was a problem for me. Yeah.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. Yeah, we pushed today. It was Sundowns earlier knocked out by TS Galaxy, and then Orlando Pirates knocked out by Kazrick Stars. Those were the two games that we covered. We hope you enjoyed our analysis. It is Creativity Times, also betting.
Hola, Bafetu. This is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They're back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.